today I wanted to share some of the fun projects that you don't want to miss. They are up and coming, and I am going to show all of you how you can make some of your own unique items this holiday season. So I just started these new little makeup bags. Of course, it's a hit or miss, and I had to learn and teach myself how to do a few things so that they came out good. And this one is a gift for a friend. I made this little one. I love when they are like a faded design. These are like a little canvas bag. And I made this little unicorn one as well. This one came from Hobby Lobby, the actual little bag did. And if you missed our tutorial, we did the little hats, but I made this little mug with the snowman face. So the link for this tutorial is below in the description. This is made out of a Dollar Tree tree skirt, the Christmas skirt. So you'll want to learn how to make these because you can put them on almost anything. Coffee cups, wine bottles, little jars. There's so many things you can do with it. Then tomorrow I have a video for all of you how to create your own custom signs from Dollar Tree. So here we have another one that's blank, and I'll be doing a video on how I'm going to do this one. But tomorrow it's going to be this one. And I'm also working on little coasters I have 4 different little reindeers. I will show you all how I'm making these, and these fit perfect for a wine glass, a coffee mug, anything that you want to make, and it reminds me so much of a holiday, and I thought these little reindeers on here were absolutely perfect, so you don't want to miss what's coming up. If you missed yesterday, we did our little blessing jars, and this video is below in the tutorial as well, and I also created this with what I'm going to be teaching all of you. I also have memory mugs. This is my beautiful mama. She is no longer with me, but I want to see her face as much as I possibly can. And on the back side is the little quote. This is a Dollar Tree mug. It is one of my favorites. And you know what's funny is I got these from Dollar Tree as well, but this is actually my favorite mug, although it weighs a little bit more and it would cost more to ship because these are 1.1 pounds and they're not in the box yet. So it would be like $7 or $8 to ship. Be careful with that. These ones are 13 ounces, like 13.4 ounces, so you can still get under a pound, but it would probably be about $5 to ship. So I will show you how to do these little faces, how we're going to make some memory mugs, how we're going to make some memory ornaments. There are so many fun projects coming up, and I just wanted to share some of the things that I am working on. I made some adorable little snowman coasters, so these are also perfect. So for instance, if you wanted to give someone a cute little mug and you wanted to include a little coaster with it, so here is the matching coaster, and you can wrap it up. You can do it like this, and you can wrap it up in some cellophane, put some hot chocolate in there with some marshmallows. I am going to show you all how you're going to be able to create some of your own fun custom designs this holiday season and save some money. So they do have several little snowman faces. With the link below in Creative Fabrica is where I am getting all of my little fonts and graphics. It is only $12 for a 3-month subscription. $4 a month, and you will be able to create so many wonderful things. So I also just made this mug. How doggone cute is this? And when you flip it around, I have my little gnome on there, but guess what? You don't only have to use these on ceramic, you can also create your own t-shirts with them. So you definitely want to subscribe because I am going to show you all the tricks and all the things that I have done to be able to create just what I have here, and there's so much more that I'm going to be doing and sharing, and I am trying to help some of you with the supplies. So I am trying to build on my Etsy store so that if you can't find something or if you can't create it, I am going to help you. But tonight I just wanted to show you some of the things that are coming up, and again tomorrow I am going to be doing the tutorial on how you can start creating these cute little signs for some of your different wreaths if you wanted to add this on the outside of a wreath. This particular wreath, yes, I made this I want to say about 8 years ago, and these are Dollar Tree little snowflakes. I don't know if they still have these because it's been a real long time, but these little aqua beads here are actually like a strand of garland. So that is what I put behind this wreath, and of course it's just this tool. Don't ever mix mesh and tulle because it is a mess. They won't come apart. This sticks to it really, really bad. So I can do a tutorial on how to make this beautiful wreath. So you want to subscribe because there are so many fun things coming up. I did post the link below for all of these fun, oops, that's my mama. For all these fun fonts that you can do, and the link is below, but I most definitely at the end of the video will show you everything that you get, 20,000 different fonts and faces and quotes and sayings, and the possibilities are endless for some of you to make some great gifts. But not only that, let's make some money this holiday season. So I'm going to teach you how, and I'm even trying to think of a way for us to make our little boxes so that we can continue to make our little Santa hats and have them on the box. So that is something else I'm working on as well. So tonight I just wanted to share you some of the things that are coming up, and make sure you subscribe and turn on that little bell so that you don't miss anything. So stay tuned, and I will show you what you can do with some of these wonderful little fonts and everything that is available to you for $12. The link is below if you want to click on it and just see for yourself, but I just wanted to kind of walk you through it so you knew exactly how to use it and how to know what's in your package. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow when we do our little snowman. Bye now.
When you click on the link below for Creative Fabrica that is in the description, it is going to take you to this page. This is the all pass for 3 months. So if you were to sign up today, which is November 11th, you would have December 11th, January 11th, February 11th. So you would get 3 months for $12. Once you click Start Download, it will ask you for your payment information. So it's $4 a month, and you are going to get access to 22,901 high-quality cut files. What they mean by that is, you saw in my previous video, I made cups, I made t-shirts. You can do them in vinyl, you can do them in inkjet printer, you can do them on water slides, and I am going to be doing videos to show you all how to do this. Once you download something, you get to keep it forever. You have personal and commercial use, and new designs added daily. So let's just scroll down and take a look. So there is the little gnome I did where I resized him, and I put him on a t-shirt, and I put him on my mug. All of these are part of your package. Here is our little snowman that I did a water slide on. But if I wanted to, for instance, this little kitty, I can trace the ears and do that in pink vinyl, and then trace the face and do that in black vinyl, and I could work with black vinyl, both heat transfer and for mugs and different ceramic projects. When you scroll down, these are all Christmas, but these are all the categories that are included with what you want. So, for instance, we are going to go to New Year's, which will be our next holiday if we wanted to do some things. So let's scroll down, and here are all of the different little fonts that you get, and there's 2 pages, so you get 71 results just for New Year's. Let's go back, and if you are, say, a pet lover, let's go to dogs. Here you would get 627 different graphics, sayings, and you just click the next one, and here are everything that is included with your bundle. Now, if you didn't want to buy the bundle, I bought the bundle because there is more than enough stuff for me to use. I don't even use any of these. So what you would do is, say for instance, you wanted that particular bundle and you downloaded it. When you log on, you would come over here to Crafts, you would click Craft Designs. Once you're logged in, all of these are going to come up just the way they are. And say, for instance, we wanted to search wine. So once you're logged in, you would click on wine. And here are all the different ones you can do for wine. Okay, so that's all you would have to do. And here you get 1,058 results for wine alone. So all you would have to do again is scroll up, subscribe, but now once you're subscribed, they are going to send you freebies every single day. So you want to log in and register, and here are some of the freebies that they send you when you sign up for an account. Okay, so here's all the little different fonts. Here's some Halloween items. How cute is this one? This one's really cute too. I think I'm going to do a bag. Remember those little bags I had? I think I'm going to do this one. I didn't remember. Look at this one! Oh my gosh, I don't click on here too often because they email them to me and there's just so many. Oh my gosh, I love them! So these are free, and I'm going to show you how to do all of these so that you can make your own gifts. And again, you will have to sign up even to get the free ones, but for that bundle that I was showing you, $12 for 20,000, you could sit here. What I do sometimes is I just click and download, click and download, click and download. I'll do like 25 a day if I can. There is no way in the 3 months time I'm going to be able to get to 20,000, but everything that I could possibly want. Look at this. We have video games, wedding, wellness, winter, wine, tattoos. So the tattoo one here, this comes with your package, and I'll show you guys how to do this because you can purchase the paper from Amazon for tattoos, and you would be able to apply them. And this is a great thing in the summer if you do any craft shows. The tattoos saved me on one craft show that I spent $400 on. So these will are another thing that we can do, and I will show you how to do them. Just keep in mind that you do not want to violate their terms of service. You may not come in here and just start downloading things without paying for the subscription. This is a larger corporation. They have a term of service. I'm sure they have attorneys that work for them, and if you're going to come in here and steal, because that's what it is, and copyright means copyright. That means you don't have any rights to it and someone else does. So keep that in mind. I paid the $12. I was happy to pay the $12 because I have more things now that I can create. I own them after I download them, and they're mine to have. So again, if you wanted to sign up, all you have to do is click the link in the description and you can start downloading. Okay? So I just wanted to share this with all of you, and I will see you on our next video. Bye now.